I'm Ryan Salazar with Broadcast Beat, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the LumaForge Jellyfish Storage Server. I'm so excited about this because at Broadcast Beat, producing NAB Show Live and all the other programs we produce, we create so much content. Every year, it's about 80 to 100 hours of content. We want to keep that storage, or we want to keep those files, and not lose all of them. So after several months of conversations with LumaForge, we decided on this system. 240 terabytes of storage, over 10 gig Ethernet and 10 gig fiber. Let's take a look. Our server rails. Wow, this is sexy as hell. All right, now we have the hard drives. And now we have 20 12 terabyte Iron Wolf Seagate drives. And 2 months later, we love our jellyfish. Welcome to Edit Day at Broadcast Beat. This is Deanna, one of our editors.
Hey there.
All right, so she's working in Premiere right now. She's got all her videos in the timeline and footage. Go ahead and show us the desktop real quick. All right, so these volumes are Samba file shares. They look like they're on a regular network, but really they're not. So I'll talk about the workflow real quick. So we've got the LumaForge Jellyfish. It's connected over SFP fiber, 10 gig fiber, goes right into this M-Link. Then the M-Link converts it into Thunderbolt. So now she's working off these volumes at blazing speeds, like it were on the network, but a whole lot faster, of course. And she's loving it. How does it work for you?
Oh, it's awesome.
All right, so let's talk about why something like this is so important in a post-production facility. Think about a facility that has 15 or 20 people, and you're working, let's say, a car spot, and you've got all different kinds of footage, but each guy needs to use the same piece of footage. Like this, I want the red car, you want the red Toyota, for example. If one editor is working off of that footage, they can make a spot, another editor can grab the same footage and make another spot in a non-destructive fashion. It's great. Lastly, the LumaForge has a really cool web interface. So go ahead and show that to us. So think about this. You can literally log in on your web browser, anywhere on the network, monitor all the volumes that you have, how much space is available on each of those volumes, see system alerts, the temperature of the server, how much total space is available, memory, and even the drive health. The really cool feature, which I haven't seen in all storage companies, is that this system, for example, we have 240 terabytes of storage. We wanted to create 20 volumes. So as soon as we got the server, I called LumaForge and I said, hey, so how do I allocate this storage? Can I allocate 20 terabytes to this user and 15 terabytes to that user? They said, no, just go ahead and create the volumes, and it's a dynamic pool of storage, essentially. So imagine having 20 volumes and all of them, say, 150 terabytes or 200 terabytes available, and they're all kind of taking from each other if you're eating up space on another one. So traditional storage systems, you used to have to carve out storage for so much, you know, and then the moment you carve it out, you couldn't retract or make it any larger or smaller or whatever. This is a whole different ball game than that. Last thing that I want to talk about is Amazon S3 and how we integrated it. So I set up a watch folder piece of software on another computer. It watches all the volumes and in real time synchronizes everything up to Amazon's S3. So we have an off-site clone of this storage almost to the minute. We've got a gig upload, so it's really great. Thank you so much. We love the LumaForge Jellyfish, and we'll see you at NAB Show.